Welcome to English A to Z. Here's a comparison that outlines some key differences between native English and normal English. Greetings. Hello, how do you do? Yo, what's good? Greetings. Hey there. How are you doing? Sup? It's been a while since we last met. Long time no see. How is everything going with you? How's life? Requests. Could you please get that for me? Can YA grab that for me? Do you have a moment? Mind sparing a sec? Could I have that, please? Could I snag that? Could you assist me with this? Lend me a hand? Would you be able to help me with this? Help me out here? Agreeing. I completely agree. Absolutely, 100%. That's exactly correct. You nailed it. I couldn't agree with you more. Couldn't agree more. That is very accurate. That's spot on. Absolutely. Totally. Expressing opinion. Honestly, I don't find it appealing. To be real, I'm not into it. I believe it might be a bit overrated. Kinda think it's overrated. That's not really my preference. Not really my thing. I really like that. I'm all about that. I don't quite like it. I'm not feeling it. Thank you for watching.